Alright guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your computer a whole lot faster than what it already is. And what I mean by this is basically clean it out to where it's almost as if it's like factory settings and you still have all your programs and shit, but it is really fast. And you could do this with a few simple programs. So the first one is called TuneUp Utilities. Now I'll give a download link for the trial for this. I don't have a cracked version for you, but there are tons of like tutorials on YouTube on how to get a keygen for this, and basically just add in a serial number and you can get the whole full version. Now there is a 2011 version out, but right now I'm using the 2010. So yeah, I'll give you the link to the website for the 2011. But once you open it up, it's gonna look like this, and you're gonna see four little tabs: maintenance, system, increase performance, fix problems, and then customize your windows. And I'm going to be showing you these three today. Maintenance system is pretty plain and simple. If you click on all functions, you can see you have 5 different options: optimize system, startup, and shutdown, defragment hard disks, remove broken shortcuts, and defragment registry, and clean registry. These are all good for your system, and you need to do all these. But instead of clicking each one individually, this tab right here, start one-click maintenance, just click that, and basically it does all 5 of these for you. As soon as it loads up, you'll see what I'm talking about here. Like it shows, like right now it's on clean registry. It just says the tests are being carried out, and it'll tell you what's wrong with each one. So I'm gonna pause this, and when it's done, I'll come back. Alright, it just finished, and as you can see, it says analysis complete, and basically it tells you what's wrong with each one. So for me, the clean registry is the only thing that has a problem, but usually clean registry is nothing really big, so if you want you can click show details and it'll basically tell you what's going wrong or whatever. So you can see that. Most of you probably don't know what any of these two mean, but just click X that out and click run maintenance, and instantly it'll be done. Well, for you guys, you probably have a lot more problems with it, but since I only had those 2 problems in clean registry, that's it. So I'm going to close that out. Now, maintenance system should have a check mark right here. Now we're going to go over to increase performance. Go to all functions. And you see these 5 options. If you go to configure live optimization, this is very useful. Honestly, I use this a lot. And you can see these should be unchecked, so just check them both off. These 2 are very important. The first one, increase response rate, is when you start up a program, it'll start up a lot faster. And then same with the bottom one. Both of these are going to make your computer run a lot faster. So once you check both those off, just click OK. And then go to right here it should say turn on turbo mode. I already have it on. And you can change your settings to turn it all the way on, and you can customize it to whatever you want. Once you finish that, go to gain disk space. Alright, now once this opens up, it should look something like this, and right here it'll be unnecessary files, old backups, and Windows functions. Basically what you could do is just click on the unnecessary files and you can just clean right there, and it'll basically clean out whatever was right there in wherever you selected, and it'll say cleanup of compact C has been successfully completed. Then go to old backups. This is where you'll probably have most of your memory, and I highly suggest don't do Windows Update backups, just because if you ever need to have your backup for your system, just keep that. Just do old restore points and click clean, and this is going to clean out. Alright, now as you can see, this is done, and it says you could use this freed up space for the following content, and it tells you all that, which is a lot of memory. That's over like 24,000 photos, 6,800 songs, and like 39 hours of video. So close that out, and don't do anything with the Windows functions, because you'll mess up your computer with that. Just X that out, go back here and do configure system startup. There's nothing really important in there. And display and uninstall programs, that you could just go to control panel and just go to uninstall programs and basically sort it by memory, or you can on here, but just find out whatever is the biggest and then delete all those. Whatever you don't use, just delete, because they're just taking up space. and that'll also help too. Then go to fix problems, and you see for right now it's not letting me do anything because I don't have any problems. It says no problems have been detected, but it will say fix common problems right here for you. If you have any problems wrong on your computer, just click that and it'll be fine. And then the customize Windows section I'm not going to go into because it's just pointless. It's just for customization. You could pretty much go to the Windows Classic themes and like make your computer a lot faster. So that's pretty much it for TuneUp Utilities. Very good program, highly suggest you get that, so X that out. And the next one I'm going to give you a link to is CCleaner, and what this is, it's just cleaning out most of the files, cookies, internet files, history, a bunch of shit. So click cleaner and then check off whatever you want to be cleaned and click analyze, and this bar will come up, but I did this before so I don't really have any files that can be deleted. So once it says analysis complete, it'll say point whatever megabytes to be removed and then run cleaner, and the bar will go back up and it says whatever has been removed. Now all that, and it'll also tell you what you have removed, and yeah. Go to registry now and do the same thing, scan for issues, check off whatever you want. I highly suggest just clicking everything and scan for issues. This will go, since I did it before, there's no issues found, but for you, you can see what is wrong with your computer right there, and you would click fix selected issues, and then the bar will go back up and it'll tell you that everything has been fixed. Now if you go to tools, basically right here is like all your programs on your computer again, and you can sort it by size and it'll tell you which ones are the biggest, and if you don't use your bigger programs then just completely uninstall them, but I use all these so I'm gonna keep them. And then you can go to options and you can change your settings for this. You can go to your cookies, you can, yeah, but for the majority of the tutorial that is it. I definitely suggest completely getting these two programs and also going to your control panel and uninstalling whatever you do not use, because they just take up space and there's no point for having them. But that's it, guys. See you later.